Renewed as a rapper, resurrected as a man. Die every day, so maybe at his feet I stand. Worthy I'm to be at the Father's right hand. We're pursuing this thing, not this afterlife grandioseness. Nah, the closeness we can have right now, cause you know this is a flash in the pan. This life that we're living today, if it wasn't then, why would he say? He prepares a room beyond the tomb, that's the truth I spit here in the booth. I've been created by him, the one who always gives proof. It is all around you, astounding truth is profound when it moves. I'm not doing it for you or me, for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine but his to complete. Come on, get up on your feet. Not doing it for you or me, but for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine to complete, but his. Between you and me, when I close my eyes I see more clearly than I could ever believe. It's free within me, Holy Spirit anointing those who turn and look to be his follower. Come on, set it down, swallow a pride. Soldiers gotta march till we're on the other side. In love for the one above and every other human you see booming and rooming, consuming time, doing what is on your mind. You love and then you will find that within them lies your heart. From the start we're taught, don't be on guard, live with heart, be relaxed, feed those who starve, give to others, be a servant, love a brother, be observant. There's no other, let's be fervent. Pay the price, he can't return it, make it worth it. Huh? Yeah, said make it worth it. Come on, I'm not doing it for you or me, for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine but his to complete. Come on, get up on your feet. Not doing it for you or me, but for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine to complete, but his. We don't compete, we complete, because if we don't, then you gotta get up on your feet, get out your seat and cause a riot. Get inspired and never get tired. I am called by the Lord to go forth and perspire. Yeah, you know all these things it requires me to get salvation. You know I'm leading a nation. I'm not doing it for you or me, for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine but his to complete. Come on, get up on your feet. Not doing it for you or me, but for family and community. Through this world and spirit I see that I'm not mine to complete.
Answer the charge.
His.
Come on, take charge.
His.